Have you seen my website? Here's my website, bigbeninspections.com, bigbeninspections.com. And you know what's cool about my website? You want to monitor the performance of your marketing. If you're going to spend any money on marketing, don't hire anybody to do SEO. It comes with InterNetG's website design, Inspector Website Builder. Just Google right now, Inspector Website Builder, because you want somebody to build your website. And this is the builder for Inspector Websites, Inspector Website Builder. It comes with SEO. Don't pay anybody to do your SEO. What is the SEO? They'll say something like, oh yeah, we include SEO. Well, what is it? Oh, it's very complicated. I'm not sure if I can explain it to you right now. Inspector Website Builder has actually a checklist of all of the SEO tasks. There's like 100 of them. And you get to make sure that they're all done. They check them off in green. This is the checklist. They tell you exactly what they're doing. It isn't some mystery. It isn't a mystery. You know why it's a mystery? So it's a mystery when people are trying to charge you a lot of money for SEO, right? It's so complicated, but I'll get you SEO. No, it isn't complicated. And that's why I like Inspector Website Builder. They tell you exactly what they're doing. They build it and they tell you exactly what the SEO tasks are. And they'll show you if they did it or not. And you want you can check it, make sure everything is green.